and welcome back to Pig Farming Jamaica 876. You know, we are here going on the farm today, and today is the what of July?
The 7th.
Eh? Guys, today is let me see. Today is the 11th of
Yeah, I didn't know that myself.
I think it's the 7th.
11th.
Alright, so today is the 7th of July, and
No, not the 7th, 11th.
the 11th of July, and you know, the pig, we're gonna check on the pig, guys, because she should have piglets yesterday,
My piglets ain't go up.
and she didn't have piglet yesterday. Hold on, she didn't have piglet yesterday, so you know, we want to go check on her this evening. Like, we went to the farm today and she still haven't had any piglets this morning, so we're going back this evening. It's like sometime after 5 right now, 5:24 p.m. in Jamaica. But I think that she's gonna have maybe 10 piglets, or no, not 10, I'm sorry. I think she's gonna have about 9 piglets, because the last time she had 6. So on how much she said she's gonna have? 8. Wow, that's so close to mine. Anyway, guys, so I'll see you guys there, and yeah. Alright, guys, so we just arrived on the farm. Let's go there. Yes, I'm gonna go over there now to see what's taking place, guys. She might have piglets, or we at least will see some blood or whatever, or she might not have any piglets, and we might also not see any blood. So yeah, but I'm just gonna take the camera with me, just in case there's a surprise. I want to catch it on camera. So
Everybody born happy and
let me just go around, guys, so you guys can see.
wow, the dog no bite them
This
bear.
disgusting dog. Anyway, hold on. Alright, guys, so I managed to go around.
Bear, you know, finish to touch after bird.
No, so I don't even know else that will come, because she had not yet passed her afterbirth, guys, and so far she have 9. That come out? Oh, alright. So, oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. You don't know how. You don't know like how excited I am right now, guys. Look at the farmer's reaction. Hey Raheem, how are you feeling? Oh my god, like, I'm so happy. So she gave birth officially on the 11th of July instead of the 10th. Not bad. I'm so happy, and she have some mixed Duro piglets. Ooh, 9 babies. I'm happy. So this is our second time, guys, and trust me, Mama did well. Yeah, so this morning she was she wasn't really, how should I put it? She wasn't, eh? OMG, and that's another one, guys. So it's 10. Don't know where that one was. She really walked, or he really walked. Way fast.
Yeah, more than 10.
Eh?
Look like more than 10.
Count it and tell me how much.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
You serious?
God no. 1. Some down the bottom, 2 in a beer, you know, count one on the bottom.
No.
So I think 12 fitting out. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So where's the other one? It was 11?
So we pass that one then when we pass him.
We get so excited and run come down here, so.
Okay, I want them to keep an eye and go back up right there, so I don't want to come more.
So I think it was 9, but Rain said it's 11. So as soon as we get the correct as soon as we get the correct figures, we'll let you know what, guys. But she passed her after birth, that means she's done having piglets. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, so it's 11. It's officially 11, guys. And so she have, guys, again I have miscount, so it's 12 of them, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then if you guys can see with me, let me zoom in. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. That's 4, 5, 6, 12 of them. It's 12. So we're gonna put in the sawdust now, guys, so I know they can stay warm tonight. But congrats, mama. Alright, guys, so I hope you like the video, guys. I'm really happy and excited right now. So yeah, I hope you like, and if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, guys, please subscribe, and thank you in advance. Alright, bye bye.